getting ready to put the radiator in. We got a lot of everything put in. This is all the lines. These extra hydraulic lines here are to go to the cooler, which are attached to the radiator. The new fan is in. We got all new lines going to everything. We relocated the hydraulic reservoir. So it used to mount here in the corner on a plate, and so it was in the way of the fan, the new fan. So we moved it back here and mounted it to the bracket, the fan bracket. We had to raise this pipe up a little bit to clear the top of it, but it'll all come together. So all the hoses are in place, all the cooling hoses are in place. Got new fuel lines. Got the whole new relocated air dryer, governor, and then he also decided to relocate. This is the tag pressure regulator, so he'll be able to adjust his tag pressure from right here. So that's the new air compressors in, new air compressor coolant lines. Coming off the back of that, it's got a brand new braided oil line. That's the boost pressure line for the fuel modulator, brand new. That's pretty much everything. We're gonna get the radiator in and we can start buttoning things up. So we're going to try the first fire here. Maybe.